Then the topic is tenure. Cost of 5 pence is 75 rupees. Then the cost of 8 pence is. So cost of 5 pence is 75 rupees. Let the cost of 8 pence be X rupees. We know that number of pence is more and the cost is also more. That implies we can write number of pence is directly proportional to total cost of pence. That implies we can write 5 by 8, which is equivalent to 75 by x. 5 ones are 5 into 15. So x equal to 15 into 8, that is 120 rupees. If 10 men can do a piece of work in 15 hours, in how many hours will 6 men can do the same kind of work? So 10 men can do a work in 15 hours. Similarly, 6 men can do the same kind of work next hours. You know that if number of men increases, then the time taken to complete the given work is decreases. Thereby, we can write number of men is inversely proportional to the time duration. It implies we can write 10 by 6, which is equivalent to x by 15. 3 2s are 3 5s are 5. So x equal to 5 into 5 is 25. So the answer is 25 hours. If 15 men working 9 hours a day can construct a road in 16 days, in how many days will 18 men can do it working 8 hours a day? Here we have three variables, that is number of men, number of working hours, the time duration. 15 men working 9 hours a day can complete the given task in 16 days. Similarly, 18 men working 8 hours a day can complete that same task next days. Here you know that if number of men increases, then the time taken to complete the given task decreases. Thereby, we can write number of men is inversely proportional to the time duration. Similarly, if number of working hours is more, then the time taken to complete the same task is decreases. Thereby, we can write number of working hours is inversely proportional to the time duration. So combining these two statements, we can write number of men into number of working hours is inversely proportional to the time duration. That implies we can write 15 into 9 by 18 into 8, which is equivalent to x by 16. So 8 2s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 9 1s are 9. That is x equal to 15. The answer is 15 days. If 4 women can make 4 toys in 4 days, how many toys can be made by 8 women in 8 days? Here we have three variables, that is number of women, and the time duration, and the number of toys. So 4 women in 4 days can make 4 toys. Similarly, 8 women in 8 days can make X number of toys. Here we know that if number of women increases, then the number of toys also increases. That implies we can write number of women is directly proportional to number of toys. Similarly, there is more time, we can make more number of toys. It is time duration is directly proportional to number of toys. Combining these two statements as number of women into time duration is directly proportional to number of toys. Thus, we can write it as 4 into 4 by 8 into 8, which is equivalent to 4 by x. So 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8. So x equal to 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 16. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe.